G'day ladies and gentlemen, today I want to show you how to fix grain in Premiere Pro with a simple plugin. It's going to speed up your workflow and improve the overall quality of your video production, in turn hopefully making you some extra money with your videos. Let's find out what it is. G'day guys and girls, and thank you for joining me today talking all about how to fix grain in Premiere Pro with a simple plugin. Previously, I'd head out and film in low light situations with an APS-C system camera from Fujifilm, and when recording those high ISO values of 6400 and above, the footage was basically unusable, especially for those high-end paid clients. But now using this plugin through Premiere Pro called Neat Video, it's speeding up my workflow and increasing the production quality of my videos. In turn, allowing me less time editing and more time out in the field creating that content. But best of all, in return, getting paid higher for my production quality out of my videos. And that is what I want to take you through today. How to use this, how it's going to help you, and how it is making me more money per video and per selling the footage that I'm using. But before we jump into that, I'm Matthew Storer, a travel photographer and videographer from Australia, traveling to least explored countries around the world, showcasing the beauty and diversity through my photography and videos on this channel. So if that interests you, please drop below and subscribe for future content. But I don't want to ramble on and on about how good this plugin is. I want to show you footage, how it's going to help you with your videos, and in turn, increase the value of your videos. So this, what I'm about to show you now, is the latest 4-day production I done, getting paid 1,500 euros, something I would never be able to create before by using an APS-C system camera. So we're looking at this footage in the background, the trees especially, there's a lot of grain introduced into that. Now here, the dark jumpers that the people are wearing, a lot of grain is being introduced. Look at the top of the camper van and in the background of the trees, it's so grainy. This video right here especially is extremely grainy out of basically the entire video. You can obviously tell there's hardly any light introduced into the video. And look at that, recording in slow motion now, we are able to fix that up. So there you have it, that's straight out of camera, no post-production done whatsoever. Now I'm going to show you the video, the exact same with a noise reduction done. And look at those bad spots in the background. It is so clean and so crisp right now. The one thing that I really can't understand is how sharp it still is. So look at the top of that camper van and the trees in the background. It is so much sharper. And this video, especially right now, is so much cleaner. The overall, just getting light introduced from the fire, it is so bloody good. And look at that slow motion footage. It is so much better. Now, if you don't believe me, look at this direct comparison side by side. On the right hand side is Neat Video compared to straight out of camera recording at ISO 6400. It's got so much noise reduction done to it, but what is so classy is the sharpening is still there out of the 1.4 from the Fujifilm. That is what impresses me the most. How sharp it still is, but reduces that overall noise reduction out of the whole image. Look at that, slow motion footage being able to record at 6400 at night. Simple as that. Someone once said to me, the solution for this plugin is full frame. For me, it's not. It's going to cost me double the amount of money up front and also a lot more in turn in chiropractic because it's so much heavier. I can't go up mountains, record all night long, put it on gimbals. APS-C is so much lighter, and for only $99, I can get this plugin and fix it, and it looks as good as a full frame camera would with the noise reduction done. So there's one more thing I want to show you. Right here is proven that I've earned $87.45 USD by selling one of the Northern Lights footage that I'm about to show you. So although it cost $99 and I'm a massive tight ass, I emailed the company asking if they ever do any specials because I was so skeptical about it. But now from one out of about 9 or 10 videos that I've sold through a company called Blackbox, this is a fantastic company selling online footage for stock use. I've earned $87 US dollars from one. I can sell this over 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, 7 years and still earn that money. So I've already made my money back from selling stock footage by using this product. never mind working for high-end clients. This is from a recent trip that I've done to Norway, recording the Northern Lights. Now, I thought when I was recording this at 12,800, it was never going to be usable in camera, but I wanted to capture that footage. Now, I'm still pretty impressed at 1.4, 12,800 from an APS-C system camera. Straight out of camera, nothing done. But here, you can see the flicker throughout the entire image because that's recording at 24 frames a second and artificial light. Now, if I show you this with denoise, look at how much cleaner that is. I've recorded the Northern Lights on an APS-C system camera, and what is most impressive is how sharp those mountains are in the background. That to me is what is most impressive. Yes, it does the denoising, yes, it cleans it up, but it keeps that sharpness out of it. But look at that, it reduces the flicker and it's completely gone. This footage now is able to be sold to anyone that wants it because it's now done a high professional quality. Here is the comparison, just to show you how much it's cleaned up and also kept that sharpness at 1.4, 12,800 ISO. For me, this is super, super impressive. It's actually, to be honest with you, blown me away how good this is. Therefore, you can see now, look how it's reduced that flicker out of the camera. It's got rid of everything. You can see the fire clear as day at 12,800. So there you have it, guys. A 4-day shoot earning 1,500 euros, something I'd previously never be able to do because I wouldn't be able to go out and record in low light and reduce that grain. Now, when I'm out shooting, I know I can get into post-production, apply neat video, and it's going to get my videos back to A1 SMIC, and the client is going to be super impressed with them. But what's even better, I can get all those stock videos, batch edit them, put them over to Blackbox, and start making money today. I can make money while I sleep by applying neat video and reducing that grain. It is that simple. I'll put the link for Neat Video and Blackbox in the description below. Make sure to head over to Neat Video. They do photo and video. They have more samples up there. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact me or them directly. I can answer anything you need. But this, I don't want to spend much time on it. I've applied the auto profile for this. That is how simple it is. So for me, I put it on a separate timeline, apply neat video, and therefore the grain-free image, then I apply to the timeline and put the color grading on top of it. It makes your workflow so much easier, speeds it up, and as I said, improves the quality of your video production. That is what it is all about. Also, make sure to jump over to Blackbox, start uploading videos today, make money in difficult times. There is nothing better. $99 is going to solve so much of your issues. I cannot say that enough because I hope I've helped you out today, but most importantly, I hope I can put some money back into your pockets in a very difficult time. That is me done for today. Ciao.